To automate deposits with Betterment SmartDeposit, start by understanding what SmartDeposit is. It is a feature that allows you to automatically invest small amounts of money from your checking account into your Betterment investment account. First, you need to have a Betterment account and link your checking account to it. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to the SmartDeposit settings within your Betterment account. In the SmartDeposit settings, you will be asked to set a target balance for your checking account. This target balance is the amount of money you want to keep in your checking account at all times. Next, you will need to set the amount you want to transfer from your checking account to your Betterment investment account whenever your checking account balance exceeds the target balance. For example, if your target balance is $1,000 and you set the transfer amount to $500, whenever your checking account balance exceeds $1,000, $500 will be automatically transferred to your Betterment investment account. It is also important to consider the frequency of transfers and the minimum transfer amount. You can choose to transfer funds daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your financial situation and goals. To get the most out of SmartDeposit, make sure to monitor your account balances regularly and adjust your target balance and transfer amounts as needed. This will help you maintain a stable cash flow while also making progress towards your long-term investment goals. By following these steps and understanding how SmartDeposit works, you can easily automate your deposits and make investing a hassle-free experience. Remember to always review and adjust your settings to ensure they align with your changing financial needs and goals.